SmugMug subscribers with pro level accounts can easily generate unique QR codes that link back to their SmugMug photo site. To start, we need to be looking at the photo site, either the home page, any folder, gallery, or page. Access your photo site homepage by clicking Site in the global navigation menu. To view the photo site version of any folder, gallery, or page from the organizer, simply select the folder, gallery, or page from the left panel and then click View on Site. Once viewing the desired page from the photo site, locate the kebab menu, or the three little dots button in the upper right corner. With the kebab menu open, select Get QR Code. Instantly, a QR code will be generated and available for download. Click Download QR Code for a 300 pixel by 300 pixel .png file to your computer. Choose specifically where to save the image by right-clicking the QR code and saving the image to another location on your computer.